Hello friends, how are you? I worked out, I trained, I got another Vertigo episode or whatever this is, lying down and then getting back up. And so I can't get a doctor's appointment until the 13th, which is like 10 days away, which is ridiculous. So I was chatting with my personal trainer and I was asking him like things I can do, personal physical therapy. He mentioned it's hormones, perhaps. And also acupuncture. I'm thinking about acupuncture because the thing is, do you remember, if you've been here for a long time, I had Bell's palsy. The doctor could not help me with my Bell's palsy. I had a spinal tap. They were like, oh, you just have to see if it'll go away or not. Nothing they could literally do for me. But you know what helped me? Acupuncture. So you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to find an acupuncturist because I believe, because it helped my Bell's palsy. Do you remember when my face wouldn't move? Yeah. I got an appointment today. Justin took me to my acupuncture appointment because I was feeling dizzy earlier. Thank you, my handsome.
You're welcome.
I think I fell asleep. It took a while. It's like an hour and a half. And I was scared because she put one in my chest. She put one all over my head, my feet, everywhere, y'all. But I feel good overall. Oh, and she gave me these. I have to pay for it, but told me to take this. It helps with hormonal and with dizziness. Hello, friends. How are you? We went to parent-teacher conference today. Jacob's doing really well. He's great at math and spelling and really great at reading. You go, baby. And we are here parked near Dairy Queen. And girl, I didn't get no kind of dessert. I got me some cheese curds and some ranch, but we are taking these home. My babies are having dessert before dinner. That's okay. See this? We got a big old Buster bar for our freezer. Justin and I are matching with our matching camel jackets. I took mine off though. I was hot. At the optometrist. Let's see. Ooh, those are nice. That one looks so good on you. Liam picked this one. You want me to film you in these? Yes? Okay. Oh my goodness. Let me see. Those actually fit you. Just kidding.
You guys have long eyelashes. When you blink your eyes, do those rub against your lenses?
This jerk shrimp is really yummy. Oh, you took a big bite. Hello friends, we're back from our optometrist appointment, lunch, the coffee shop, and then we had a virtual meeting with Liam's music teacher. We have another virtual meeting with Liam's like special, like I don't know what it's called, like advanced reading teacher. And we got a little 20-minute break. And so I said, let me go ahead and use my steamer. Because the stuff here, it won't come off, right?
Oh, yeah.
But I thought if I use the steamer to soften it and then wipe it off, maybe that'll do it. And also, girl, what is this? Maybe that'll also help with this. Because I use this to clean my shower. I clutched my non-existent pearls again in delight. Because I said, wow. Why do I always have non-existent pearls? Let me get me some. I clutched my Van Cleek.
I got you some pearls a while back. You still have them, don't you?
No, I love my necklace. Thank you. At first I was like, return it. I don't want it. But now I'm like, let me keep it. I mean, if my man said he want to splurge on me, let him. Who am I? Take that privilege away from you.
Exactly.
Who am I? Speaking of which, I'm about to be 40, honey. I may or not have a list. And I believe Pika Liz is on that list. Look. Remember when it was so gross? My kids even said, Mommy, did we get a new soap? You better stop. I just cleaned it, like really did.
I've never seen the stars on it.
You never seen the stars on it? Oh my. It was so dirty. Dang. Kids really don't be sugarcoating anything. It's this. It's my little steamer. I clean it. I use it for the bathroom. I use it for everything. Just the steam softens everything up, and then I started scrubbing, and then wowzers. Hi friends. So we're getting family haircuts. I'm getting one too, because girl, it's getting long. What else? Oh, we had our parent-teacher conferences. So nice. He always gives us this Vietnamese coffee. This is the first time I've had my hair washed. It's nice. Whatever you're using smells good here. So I also got a haircut with the family. I don't know why he did my hair like this in the middle. One time when I was in 5th grade, I had my hair split like this in the middle. And someone told me I was really ugly with my hair split in the middle, so I never split my hair in the middle again. Like, that's why I don't do a middle part. Because it's like childhood trauma that F's you up and then you never do it again, right? Like, yeah. I thought I was looking cute that day, too. I had it all slick like this and like this with a bobby pin. Girl, looking back, yeah, I didn't look the best, but you know what? It's okay, you know? Why was I getting? Oh my gosh, all the parent-teacher conferences were amazing. We had 3 today after the optometrist. We all got glasses. We all got, what's up, little dude? What else? Yeah, Liam is in a gifted program, and the teacher said that he's gifted, he's amazing. Music teacher was like, he's very responsible. Oh my gosh, his main teacher, Liam, did a presentation for us. It was so cool to see, like how every 5th grader had to do a presentation slideshow on their experience in 5th grade. It was so good. Handsome haircut. Handsome. Ooh, handsome haircut. Oh, dang, Daddy, what is all that? You ain't gotta do all. You ain't gotta do all that, my golly gee. Ooh, look at my beautiful boy. Turn to the side. Let's see the back of the head. Ooh, look at that nice haircut. It's movie night. These are our snacks, fruits and stuff. Hawaiian Sun Lily Koi. Oh, I made Dubai chocolate bark. So this doesn't have, you know, the chocolate filling or the mold. It's just one-sided. I actually like it like this. It's so good. And then some frozen gyozas because the boys wanted this. This is from Asia Mall. They're pork gyozas. I just put them in the air fryer. We're having salad for dinner. I made these patties. Just like comfort food for me, Filipino style, mixed with egg. What?
Anyone know that meme?
Yeah, I know, and I'm not laughing or smiling
Girl
until the garlic bread ready. That's when out. The garlic bread.
Laughing.
Yeah, garlic bread's almost ready. The kids are having their movie night and their gyoza. They tore up the gyoza. I made them 10 and they ate it all. Finally decided we needed to get shower curtains.
After a couple months.
Yeah, finally. So we got shower rods, shower curtains, shower liners.
Well, it's the guest bedroom, so it's like...
Yeah, we don't have guests.
I don't think anyone's showered here yet.
No, not yet. But I bought this. And that is all that we have for this bathroom. We got a shower curtain. Yay! Hello friends, it's the next day. And the only thing I have to share are these cookies. Of all the cookie recipes I've ever tried, it's still the Big Fat Chewy chocolate chip cookie for me. The Neiman Marcus is second, and I didn't even really care for the Martha Stewart Fired Me cookies, but you gotta try. I'm gonna link it. I know so many of you have tried it. It's a Big Fat Chewy chocolate chip cookie. Good morning, friends. I'm so grateful for today because I woke up and I wasn't feeling dizzy or anything. So today is a wonderful day. I worked out. And I even did the floor workouts. I was like, no, let me try. Because they know I have vertigo. But I was like, let me just try. No vertigo today. Today's a beautiful day. And yesterday. And the day before that. So I'm hoping maybe it went away. Girl, I really don't know. But let me tell you what happened. I feel like the day after I got my acupuncture, I got my period. And then the day after that, I didn't get vertigo again. Like at all. So I would like to thank acupuncture and my period maybe. You see how health can shift someone's mood? I feel so much happier, so much better, so grateful to feel good today. Anyways, I wanted to show you, I watched this video on the gram. When you make cookies, you save some batches, you roll it up. I usually do this, but I never thought to like do it this way. Look, you roll it up like you do in a bag, you label it, you put the temperature 325 for 15 minutes, you see that? But then you open a little part of it and you put a straw in and you suck, you go, and then you close it and it's like vacuum sealed without a vacuum sealer. You are the vacuum, my friend. Like that. I just thought I'd share because I thought that was so cool. These cookies were everything. I know my babies say that their cookies are better than mine, but girl, why I eat 3 then? I didn't eat 3 of yours, just kidding. My babies are the best little bakers in the whole wide world. That's all I gotta say. But these cookies, oh my goodness. Yeah, I'm just starting to prep because I like having cookies whenever we have guests over. But I need to make more, but I ran out of chocolate chips. Anyways, thank you friends for watching. I will see you later.